Good morning students, this is Krishna Chauhan from PN Institute. Today once again I am back with a short video in which we can easily find out the trick to find out the logarithm of any number. In the chemistry section, especially from the chapter number 2 in the chemical kinetics, where we have to find out the logarithm of number. So this video will help you out to find out the log of any number quickly. Okay, so before going with the how to find it out, few of the formulas which you should remember to solve the logarithm, and those formula are, suppose if you want to find out the logarithm of log a into b, if we are having a number a into b, so what we can do, we can write log a plus log b. Okay, if we are having another in which you have to find out log of a divided by b, then we will use the formula log a minus log b. This can be used. Same way, if we are having a number log a in which you are having the power b, then what we can do, we can bring the b before the log. Okay, we can write it as b log a. Suppose for example, if we are having a question like log 10 to the power 2, then what we can do, we can put the 2 before log. Simply we can multiply 2 by log 10, and what is the value of log 10? It has been 1. So what we can do, simply putting 2 into 1 is equal to your 2. Okay, one more thing we should keep in mind is that log 10 is having value 1. Log 1 is having value equal to 0. That is your not any number. Suppose if we are given that log 10 raised to power 4. So what we can do, putting 4 before the log, and then we can solve. We can have the value of log 10 equal to 1. We will have 4. Okay, in this way we can find out the value of the log by using this 3 formulas, 1, 2 and 3. These 3 formulas we should keep in mind before solving the questions. Okay, now suppose now if you want to find out the log of the number, log of any number, then before that we have to keep in mind the value of the log of 2, 3, 5 and 7. These are the 4 values which we should keep in our mind to solve the further questions. Okay, as we know, just now I have told you the value of log 1 is equal to 0. Log 2 is fixed, and that is, you have to remember, log 2 is 0.30. Same way, if we are having log 3, the value is 0.48. For log 4, okay, now we need to count out the log 4. How we can count? We will put log 2 to the power 2. This 2 can be moved towards before your log. So can we write it as 2 log 2? Now what is the value of your log 2? We know it is 0.3010. So what will be the value? We will have the value 0.6020. Approximately you can write 0.60. Okay, now the value of log 3, it is already given 0.48. Log 5, it is 0.70. We can calculate for the log 6. How we can calculate log 6? It can be written as log 2 into 3. Now applying the formula log 2 plus log 3. The formula which I have already told you in the previous slide. Okay, in this, what is the value of log 2? 0.3010. What is the value of your log 3? 0.48. So we will just simply put the value and we will have the sum of this, which is equal to 0.7810. Approximately we can take 0.78. We can take the approx value 0.78. Okay, then log 6 we have derived. Log 7, it is given 0.84. For log 8, to calculate the log 8, once again we will have the same kind of trick which we have used in the log 4. What will be the value? Can I write log 2 to the power 3? We will move this 3 towards the base, then 3 log 2. What is the value of log 2? 0.3010. On simplification, we will get the value 0.9030, which can be approximately taken as 0.90. Same way, to calculate the value of log 9, we will put it in the manner log 3 to the power 2. 2 will be bring in the base like this, and log 3, the value of 3 will be multiplied. 2 into log 3, what is the value? 0.48. On multiplication, we will get the value 1.16. Okay, sorry, on multiplication we will get the value 0.96. okay, so this is the value of your log 9. Like this, we can easily find out the value of the numbers, especially from 1 to log 10. So now after 9 we are having the value of log 10, which is equal to your 1. So this kind of the formulas can be used to easily calculate the small numbers. But if we want to count the log of the values which are in the integer form, like if we want to find out the log of 2.8, then how we can find out? See, in this what you can do, you have to keep the two numbers in which the 2.8 is coming. Okay, we have to fix the range. What will be the range for this? For 2.8 is coming in between the log 2 and between the log of 3. Okay, so what are the values of the log 2? We know the value is 0.3010, and what is the value of log this? 0.48. Okay, now see what is the value you have to find out. 2.8. You can see that 2.8 is closer to 3 as compared to 2. ठीक है, वो क्या है तुम्हारा 2.8 3 के पास में है as compared to your 2. So we will take a number in between this one, but it should be closer in the value towards the 0.48. So we will have approximately 0.44. We can approximately take the value of the log 2.8 as our 0.44. Same way, if you want to count the log 4.7, 4.7 is in between the range of your log 5. It is in between the log 4 and log 5. We will take it as log 4 and your log 5. How we are writing log 4? Log 4 can be written as 2 square. We will put 2 and the value of log 2, which upon simplification we will get 0.3010, which is equal to 0.60. And for log 5, what is the value of log 5? 0.70. Okay, so to find out the value in between the 0.60 and 0.70, we have to find out the value of 4.7. Now in this also you can see 4.7 is closer to your 5. So we will take the in between number for both of this. We will have approximately 0.66. We can take 0.66, or you can even take 0.65. Approx value you can take. You don't need exact value of the log 4.7. Same way, if you want to count out the log 5.6, what will be the range? We have to take the range of log 5 to log 6. This will be the range for your 5.6. Now the value of log 5, it is given 0.70. This we have to remember. And the log 2 we can derive. Log 2 can be as your 2 into 3, which is equal to your log 2 plus log 3. Log 2, what is the value? 0.3010 plus log 3, 0.48. Just now we have solved, we will have 0.78. So we have to take a number which should be in between 0.70 and 0.48. Now we can see it is almost in between. It is almost in between the 5 and 6. You are having 5.6 in between of your 5 and 6. So what we will do? We will also take the number in between of 0.770 and 0.78. Which will be the in between number? We will have 0.74. So approximately we can take the logarithm value of 5.6 as 0.74. Same way 4.7 can be taken as the approximately value of 0.66. Same way 2.8 you can take approximately value of 0.44. Okay, so these are the approximate answer, and which is actually in the range of the calculated value. So this way you can even find out the logarithm value of the numbers which are in between or in the integer form like this. Using this trick, now we will like to solve a question from the electrochemistry. Sorry, this is from your, yes, this is from your chemical kinetics. Okay, we will solve the chemical kinetics question. Okay, in this question it is already given. What is the question? A substance A by first order reaction. First order reaction is there. So what will be the formula for the first order reaction? We know K is equal to 2.303 divided by T log of initial concentration divided by the concentration after time T. R0 is the initial concentration and R is the final concentration after time T. Now putting the values of everything. Initial concentration, how much initially they are taking? They are taking 2. Then after how much time? After 200 minutes. How much it is getting converted? It is converting itself into how much? 0.15. Now we need to actually apply the trick to this part of the question. How to solve this question quickly? 2.30 upon 200, then log. How we can solve? Can I write it as 200 upon 15? Okay, on solving this, can I keep it as? Okay, to solve only the logarithm part, we will solve only the logarithm part, log 200 upon 15. This can be solved. Okay, logarithm 200 upon 15, we will divide this by our 5. 40 by 3. How much you will get? Approximately you have to find out for the 13.33 value. Now how to find out the log 13.33? We will keep it as approximately equal to 14. Okay, now log 14 we have to calculate. How to find out the log 14? Can we write log 7 into 2, which should be written as your log 7 plus log 2. What is the value of log 7? 0.84. Yes, correct. It is 0.84 plus log 2 0.3010. What will be the value? You will have 1.1410. This is the value of your log. We will keep the value 1.141. Multiplying this by 2.303 and on dividing this by 200, approximately we will get the answer 1.31 10 raised to power minus 2, which is almost in equivalence with the given option 1.29 10 raised to power minus 2. Okay, so on solving we can have the answer A as your correct option. So what is the basic thing I want to tell you in this question is how to find out the log of this value. Applying the short tricks and using the approximation method, we can have the value of this, like having the multiplication of 14 and 1.14 can be taken as a correct answer. You can even approximate this one to the 14 also. Okay, so that's it. This is the smallest or the shortest trick to find out the logarithm while calculating the questions from the kinetic section. Thank you.